I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Garmin Forerunner 965. To begin, power on your device by pressing and holding the light button. Next, select your preferred language and region directly on the watch. Then, download and open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Finally, follow the simple, on-screen instructions in the app to pair your watch using Bluetooth, establishing that crucial initial connection for data transfer and updates. Now, let's personalize your Forerunner 965. Input your personal metrics like height and weight into the Garmin Connect app to ensure precise data. Customize your watch faces, data fields, and widgets to reflect your style and information needs. Create tailored activity profiles for different sports, adjusting data screens for optimal viewing during each. Don't forget to set up smart notifications so you receive important alerts right on your wrist, keeping you connected without needing your phone. For accurate tracking, it's time for GPS and sensor calibration. Take your watch outdoors to an open area for an initial GPS acquisition, ensuring the best signal. Calibrate the altimeter and compass to get precise elevation and directional data. If you use external sensors, like a heart rate monitor or a speed sensor, connect them easily. Finally, always ensure your watch's software is up to date through the Garmin Connect app. This keeps your device running smoothly and unlocks new functionalities. To maximize your Forerunner 965 experience, here are some daily tips. Appreciate its battery life, offering up to 23 days in smartwatch mode or 31 hours with all systems GPS. Dive into the extensive training metrics and recovery insights to optimize your performance. Leverage the built-in mapping for confident navigation on new routes. Remember to regularly sync your watch with Garmin Connect. This keeps your data current, helps you track progress, and allows you to share your achievements with your community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.